Hello everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop. So in this one I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with a Paradigm Dalek, which looks a little bit odd when you see it like that, but what I'm doing is something in the vein of the classic Emperor. Obviously Davros is in there, but I'm not going to be doing Davros as part of it, but something in the vein of that one. I've also actually recently done something similar for my own audio series. This is going to be the Emperor Dalek from my audio series. I really like the sort of small, you know, you get the big hulking Emperors, the huge great ones, they're nice, but I quite like the small Emperor design that Davros had. So yes, I'm going to be doing something similar with an Imperial Dalek, a Paradigm Dalek. So obviously what I've got is the standard drone body with the top shaved off. This is just a plastic bauble that I got off eBay. So obviously I need to start building up and building around it and everything. So yeah, let's do this. And there is my finished Paradigm Emperor. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. It was fairly simple, custom actually. Nice and pretty simple to do. This mid-section part is actually a spare Davros base that I had left. I just thought it worked quite well. So yeah, nice, simple, easy custom to do. As always, like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you all with another one very soon.